Hello, my name is Micah Weinflash. I'm one of the account managers here at Melilli, and in this video we will be going over how to upgrade your Blackout application on your Relativity instance. Before we begin, some important requirements is that Blackout 4.0 does require Relativity 10.0 or higher, and all browsers that are supported by Relativity 10.0 or newer are supported as well. Also, all existing Blackout jobs must have been completed, reverted, or stopped prior to beginning the upgrade. If you are upgrading to Blackout 4.0 and higher from Blackout 1.9 or lower, please contact support at melilli.com, as additional steps may need to be taken with upgrading the version of Blackout on your instance. If you are upgrading from 3.3 or earlier, we also recommend reaching out to Melilli, as there are numerous system changes that are done upon upgrade. In addition to introducing new functionality, the upgrade will make changes to your existing installation, and additional steps may be needed to be taken immediately after your upgrade. If you are upgrading from 3.4 or above, there are minimal changes to your system, and the upgrade can proceed as normal. Before you begin, ensure that you have received the Blackout 4.0 RAP file. If you have not, you may reach out to support at melilli.com. The file will be delivered to you via a secure file share link. Also, please ensure that you have Blackout already installed. If this is your first time installing Blackout, please see our first time installation guide and other video in this series. Starting off, we're going to navigate to our Applications and Scripts tab in Relativity, and then to our Application Library. We will then filter by Blackout and choose the Blackout application. Once here, we will click the Edit button, clear our existing application, choose File, and choose our Blackout RAP version. As the current version on this instance has already been upgraded, we will not be able to upgrade here. But once you have chosen this option, and chosen Open, and Save, you will be prompted that the upgrade will need to take place across all workspaces in your instance. This action is required, and please click Yes to begin the upgrade. After Relativity has finished updating each workspace, verify that the install status is installed on each case. You can check that installed status here, and see its status on the various workspaces. After each workspace has been successfully upgraded, Blackout will still need to be configured to work with at least one Blackout Relativity agent. To do this, navigate to the Blackout tab and choose Blackout Agent Configuration. Once here, identify the agent server that you wish to install the Blackout agent to, select Is Enabled, and also ensure that the Is High Resource checkbox is checked as well. Blackout requires at least one agent server to be marked as high resource. The high resource agent server will, in addition to other actions, also perform OCR and native spreadsheet markups. Once you are done, you can click Save Configurations. This will then deploy the Blackout agent to that server and configure it with the default worker threads for that agent. If you have additional questions about how to upgrade your Blackout agent, please feel free to reach out to support at melilli.com, and we will be happy to assist you with any issues or questions you may have.